Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you fill out a W-9 in your Beacons AI account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to fill out a W-9 anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially when you're doing brand collaborations, oftentimes they're going to require you to fill out a W-9. And basically all that is you're providing your tax information. So that way, when they're issuing tax documents, they know exactly who they're sending it to. So it could be your company or it could be you personally. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Beacons AI account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to fill out a W-9, the cool thing about Beacons AI, they have it available for you to automatically fill out. So here on the left menu, you're going to click here on Brand Collabs. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, W-9 Generate. Okay, so once you click there, Beacons AI is going to ask you a series of questions. So this is so they can put the correct information into your W-9. So first you want to go ahead and choose your federal tax classification. So are you an individual? Do you have an S Corp or any of these other company types? So just choose whichever one applies to you. So if you're filling this out, you want to make sure you know exactly how you want your tax information to be with that client. Because if you're operating as an individual, but you also have a company that's under an S Corp, you need to talk to your tax advisor to see which one you should be filing with your client. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and put individual. All right, next you want to click Get Started. Okay, so here is your legal name. So this is what your tax return is going to be under. So ABC Inc. Okay, here you want to go ahead and enter in the address. So this is the address that your tax forms would be mailed to from your client. Okay, so here you want to go ahead and enter in your tax ID or your social security number. Okay, once you fill that out, go ahead and click on Continue. Okay, here Beacons AI is going to give you more information on a W-9. So as I said, the purpose of the W-9 is to provide your correct taxpayer identification number to a business that's going to be paying you. Okay, so go ahead and review this information, make sure it looks correct. Next, you want to go ahead and sign the document. So we'll just go ahead and sign this. If you prefer to type it out, just click here on type and then just type it out. Okay, and then scroll down and then click on Generate W-9. Okay, now we can go ahead and download this PDF. Okay, quick second later, the PDF opens up. So this is a completed W-9 form, as you can see. So all the information that we put in there is now listed. So we put ABC Inc., we put the address right here, the tax ID or social security number. And as you can see right here, it was even signed electronically. So we can go ahead and download this. And the cool thing about this is you can actually use this for other companies. So if you're doing a brand collaboration, you can just easily send out this W-9 that you already filled out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to fill out a W-9 using your Beacons AI account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.